Hello there, I think you're doing well. I come with a special topic for you, okay? Learn English with a native speaker. So this is a good way for you to improve, to level up your English in a few times, okay? So learning English with a native speaker. My name is Bro Damien. I'm an English confidence coach, okay? Your guide to fluent English. So what is a native speaker? So it's someone who has spoken English from childhood as their first language. So they possess natural fluency, idiomatic expressions, and cultural insights that non-native speakers may find challenging to acquire. Okay, so why do we have to learn English using a native speaker? Learning from a native speakers offer several advantages. Okay, so you have authenticity, so you learn how English is naturally spoken in everyday situations. Apart from that, you have also cultural insights, like you gain understanding of cultural nuances, which is crucial for effective communication. You have also accents and pronunciation that you acquire easily, mimic authentic accents and intonations, improving your overall fluency. Idioms and phrasal verbs. Okay, so that's our informal. You learn commonly used expressions that are not always taught in textbook. Okay, it will come. You absorb them directly. Okay, so advantages and disadvantages of learning with a native speaker. So advantages, you have real-time feedback on pronunciation and grammar, exposure to colloquial language and current trends. You have also increased confidence in speaking and listening. How about disadvantages? You have many of them. I have listed three for you. Cost may be prohibitive for some learners. Okay, availability can be limited depending on location and schedule. Native speakers may not always understand the challenges non-native speakers face. Okay, so where to find native speaker? You have many options. Okay, free options, semi-gratis options, and paid options. Let's talk first about free options. Okay, you have a language exchange platforms like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Conversation Club, okay? Social media groups or a forum dedicated to language learning. Semi-gratis options, you have local language meetups or community events. University language exchange programs, okay, can also help. So paid option, you have private tutors or language schools offering tailored lessons, online platforms such as italki, Verbling, or Preply. Okay, so in conclusion, what can I say? Learning English with a native speaker provides unparalleled benefits in terms of fluency, practical usage, and cultural understanding. While it may come with some challenges, the advantages far outweigh them for those committed to mastering English effectively. Realizing a combination of free, semi-gratis, and paid resources ensures accessibility and flexibility in your learning journey. Okay, so do subscribe to my English channel so you can't miss content coming from my channel, and you will gain much to improve your English. Thank you and bye bye.